This is weight floor milling machine. This is a hopper for the weight. The cleaning weight I put in here. Then I let air go up the papers. Go up and then down here. This is milling. You see? This is milling machine. It has a roller miller in here. Two double roller. Then milling finish and milling finished go up in that with the air lock. Then this is screen save the flow from here, the Meta, Ata or Semolina from here. This from here with flow. This is for weight bring from here. This is you see, this is screen and brush the floor, brush the weight and flow here, and you can adjust it. This is the bring from here.